I grew up hearing this line, no matter where you go, remember where you're from. For the Igbo community, that's not just a quote, it's a roadmap. And nothing maps it better than a home in the village. See, a village home isn't just a building, it's identity in concrete. When I say, I'm from here, I'm not pointing to a city skyline, I'm pointing to a courtyard.
Where my name makes sense.
Where my jokes land, and where people know my story before I tell it. This is where lineage lives.
Your umuna, your extended family.
Gathers, argues, forgives, and celebrates here. Weddings, naming ceremonies, burials, new yam festivals. These are not events you just attend. They're anchors that hold you steady when the world gets stormy. A village home is also a key to belonging. When you return in December, homecoming season, you don't just visit, you reconnect. The road greets you by name. Aunties remember your childhood.
Elders call you closer.
Suddenly, the noise of the city fades, and the rhythm of your people returns. Let's talk value. Land in the village carries legacy. It's not a flip or a trend, it's a relay baton. You inherit it, you build on it, you pass it forward. That's how you keep your name alive, long after your voice goes quiet. It's practical too. You always have a base, somewhere to rest, reset, and launch new ideas. During holidays, commerce explodes. From small shops to big projects, the village becomes an economic engine, built on trust, kinship, and reputation. And there's something spiritual here. In the village, gratitude feels heavier, prayers feel closer, and success feels shared. You remember who poured libation before you, who started the journey, and why you must continue it. So why does a home in the village matter? Because roots need soil, pride needs a place, and legacy needs a door you can open, a compound you can fill, and a story you can leave behind. Build the city life, chase the big dreams, but keep a key to the village. One day, you'll need to go home, not just to rest, but to remember who you are.